Going for 40 today, under 1 minute.
Not mushy. There's definitely some mushy chicken. Okay.
I've seen that. Let me dive in.
You're like the layers.
I went 10.
Is that a pizza or a lasagna?
It's cold.
That was needed.
Right?
No fun in that.
Fatigue. How are you any of those measurements? This is a solid. Gone to the bathroom to powder my nose.
Yeah, I've had this is my 8th one.
Strategy. It's gonna be horrible. Oh.
You clicked on this video to see me burp today. I know you did.
Oh, I'm struggling, dude.
Let's go, Matt. You got this.
Oh. Let me say. What the hell? Oof. Would be a chowder.
I really slow down. Eat the whole thing. Eat the thing in one bite. One bite. I don't think I'm last donut. Camera magic, folks. That's Hollywood.
Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. I can eat more.
Where does all this gas come from? Like
Class.
sauce of the game?
What are you doing? Look at this.
Enough.
Sorry, I'm like, wow.
I just counted. But my body.
Yeah. Let's go. There you go. 41:30.
Damn.
Nice.
Nice. Just take it slow. Breathe. Oh, excuse.
There we go. Doubled my room, but need a couple chips. Just a couple. There's number 2. Ooh. Oh yeah! That's it. That feels much better.
I believe that. Jeez.
Thing's a monster. It's a good one. Let's go, fellas.
Whoa!
There's the room. There's the room.
There it is. No way.
No way. That burp was nice though. Yeah, whatever.
Around that.
There's so much, dude. No, the burp. I haven't even burped yet.
There it is.
Rant.
Woo!
Ooh, that's low. Oh no. With Kit Kat chocolate.
Sorry to interrupt.
3 minutes ago.
I can do better than that.
No, I'm not worried.
I'm here to beat you, Nate. I'm burp.
Boom.
Wow.
Shots fired.
Overconfidence every time.
It's a lot of French fries.
They're probably a lot worse for me than the BK ones.
I've been giving it a little love.
Oh, I apologize for neglecting you.
Oh, hey, what's up?
You wait in the house.
That's all I got. That was cold. Oh, the first half of it, I think.
My teeth feel so weird now, though.
Yeah, not a fan of the.
Whoa! There. Grant's coming for the throne. 5.
Damn.
More pie.
Whoa.
This. Giant.
On a nice, crusty.
Sorry. Yum. Else to it.
It's so gnarly. So before the video, everybody, this
Not much. A few water. And that was my go-to snack.
oh. All the fat I'm eating. I'll one bite.
There we go.
Because you know how much I hate them.
A good 3 feet.
Sacrilegious.
It's an ice cream sandwich.
Down for Tony Wilkins, baby. Going down like nobody's business. Let me tell you. Stay woke, everybody. Stay woke out there.
What's wrong, Matt? Can't eat 5 large pies? Ooh. I've hated this Taco Bell KFC. It's
Chairs. Yelled at us to not sit on the chairs. On the
Is otherworldly. That's
I'm not having fun at all. Oh.
Uh-huh. That was a lot easier the first time. Had to be the pizza.
$5.
Oh my god.
That pizza the second time was so much harder.